For week 9, assignment 2, you'll be asked to take your 10 to 15 portfolio images in a web output. You have 3 choices here. One is to create a Lightroom web gallery, which you can export as an entire site folder. I just went to web. The last template I used, which was for week 7, I believe, is still there. So to show all 15 on one page on the index, I could simply modify that to 3 rows by 5 columns. If you went to a different default site, something like this, you've saved your template ideally from that previous assignment, so you could modify that very easily. All I would have to do now, I could go ahead and click through, make sure everything appears as I wish, and once I've done so, go ahead and export the whole entire site folder. Another option is a Behance site. To create a project, you need to sign into Adobe Behance with your Adobe account, fill out some profile information, and create project. I'm going to choose a photo grid here. I've already exported the images from Lightroom at 800 pixels long edge so that they'll fit nicely onto the page here. Go ahead and select the images. They went out of order somewhat here, but I can edit that once they're uploaded if I wish. Okay, so I just click on the edit, reorder project, edit grid, and now I can simply drag and drop images to create a different order, and Behance will adjust accordingly. Okay, so let's say that's all in place. I could simply click on Done and save, and my project should now appear in Behance as an added project. I actually forgot a few steps. I first need to create a cover, so I'll continue. It's asking me to upload a cover image. I don't recall which image is which. Oh, it looks like I exported those not quite large enough. I need 808 by 632, so I'm going to pause. Okay, I went ahead and exported a 1000 pixel tall image, and that worked just fine. Next, you need to add a title. Go ahead and crop and continue, and publish. After adding some options here, tools used, Lightroom, and publish. You have the option to promote your work. and these can then be viewed. This is the actual internet, so don't post anything here that you don't want shown, and it will show up as one of your projects. I have a couple other projects already up here, but here's the portfolio demo. Your next option for web is creating a Spark website. This isn't for the portfolio shown here, but another Spark page I made in the past. If you're interested, please go to Adobe Spark, and it's fairly straightforward to create a simple portfolio website. Okay. So have fun. I look forward to seeing your web presentations.